Hello, I'm Patty Brown at ATEX Inc., makers of the Textile Kit, and I hope our kit will give you a great start in your lifetime of learning about textiles. I'm here today to give you a few tips about assembling your copy of the Textile Kit. Here's how to get the most from your kit. First, register for access on the Textile Kit online using the small card in the front of your binder. There, visit the virtual lab assistant to see how a finished kit should look when it's filled out and assembled. This should be very helpful to you. Find the narrow samples bag in your kit. This small bag contains all the fibers, yarns, and narrow fabrics. Notice that it contains an even smaller bag which holds some of the samples that are easiest to lose, so take special care with these. Using regular adhesive tape not provided in your kit, tape all the narrow samples onto the colored mounting pages by matching each sample with the image. Using regular adhesive tape not provided in your kit, tape all the narrow samples onto the colored mounting pages by matching each sample with the images shown. To help you distinguish the fiber samples, they are also numbered. Now, unless your kit came with pre-filled out mounting pages, you will need to enter all the index information by hand onto the fabric sample mounting pages. Using the pencil provided in your kit, first number the spaces from 1 to 205. Then write in the information provided in the index for each sample. Sample name, fiber content, main feature to observe, and other notes. C samples will have additional main features to observe and other notes. Remember, to see an example of how a finished page should look, consult the virtual lab assistant on the Textile Kit online. And you can skip filling out the information for end samples because that information has already been provided to you on the colored mounting pages. When your kit is all filled out, it's time to mount the fabric samples. They come in stacks which are color-coded. The reference card in the sample bag tells you the order in which you should unstack them: purple, blue, orange, and green. The samples are in strict numerical order, so take them off in that order, starting with the purple stack, and tape each sample into its appropriate space using no more than 1 inch of double stick tape, which is provided in your kit. Tape only the top edge so that you can lift the sample and inspect its edges and back. And a helpful tip is, if a sample like lace has a lot of holes in it, don't use the double stick tape. Use regular clear adhesive tape, and this will help avoid your pages sticking together. Also in your kit, you will find a plastic or metal linen tester, also called a pick glass. Simply unfold it, place it on any sample, and then put your eye near the magnifying lens to get a more detailed look at the sample. Your kit may include a large key code card in the front of the binder. If your kit contains this card, please use it to log into itextiles.com for access to a complete e-textbook, interactive learning tools such as lectures, thousands of images, video clips, review, exercises, definitions, and much more. iTextiles is an incredible introduction to all the important basic textile concepts, so please don't miss it. Again, remember to consult the virtual lab assistant on the Textile Kit online as you mount your fabric samples. We put a lot of work into this tool in order to help you, so please take full advantage of it. There will be an audio file and text you can click on to learn more about each sample as you go along, and you can see one or more different examples of how your sample may appear. If your sample doesn't seem to match up with what you're seeing there, consult your instructor or email us for assistance. Most students, by using the virtual lab assistant, can easily tell if two samples have stuck together, if they have duplicate samples, or if they are missing a sample for some reason. If you are missing something from your kit, please just email us and we will send you a prompt replacement. We want every student's kit to be complete. Best wishes to you as you begin learning about the exciting world of textiles using the Textile Kit.